Hi, in this video I'm going to show you one of the use cases for 3D room tags. First, let's go to add-ins and run 3D room tags add-in. Then I'm going to uncheck create 3D spatial volumes and analyze this table here. So you can see that in current model I have 91 correctly placed rooms. Rooms are in blue, and 15 from this link, and also 17 spaces from the link. Notice that there is a total of a room count in link and space count in link, of which only these are placed correctly. So I'm going to first generate these. I can generate for both, but for the sake of this example, I'm just going to do these first. Okay, so let me find these. Since Add-in loaded this room tag and I don't have other custom one, I'll just select these and isolate them in 3D. So there, there are 3D room tags. Next, I'm going to run the add-in again, and I'm going to generate also these for the current model. Now that we have these, common problem is that these will be visible everywhere. So for example, if we go to entry level floor plan, you can see these 3D room tags appearing in the view, and basically they are making issue. So in order to preserve our view consistency, first I'm going to select all of them and place them in non-default design option. Let me create new design option set, and I will call them 3D room tags. Next, I'm going to create new options. So I have two. So first, primary option will be invisible, and the second one will be show 3D room tags. Of course, you can name them however you want. This is just an example. Okay, now I'm going to select all of these in entire project, just the instances, and I'm going to cut them. I will position myself into this design option and paste to the same place. Okay, so what we got with this is the ability to manually control in which view we want to display these 3D room tags. So our use case is using 3D room tags in Navisworks coordination model. So let me create a new view. So I'll just duplicate this one, and I will call this one Navis or Navisworks. There is a reason why I called it specifically this way. That's because Navisworks can pull it automatically. So whatever we have displayed here will be automatically pulled to Navisworks once we refresh the model. So let me go back and now go to visibility graphics. So I'm using VG, and I'll go to design option. This is a newly added tab since I created these design options, and I'll choose show 3D room tags like this. So now I have them displayed. Also, if you check one of the other views like this floor plan, you will notice that there are no 3D room tags there. So just to get the whole model, I can switch off this section box, but I'll leave it just for the sake of this example so you can see how you will get exactly this view in Navisworks. Okay, let me save this. Now let me go to Navisworks and set some options. So I'll go to Options, File Readers, Revit, and then I'll make sure that Navisworks view is selected here. I'll ignore other options for now. Now let's create a new project, and I'm going to append my sample project here. Okay, now my model is loaded, and as you can see, we have exactly the same view as it appears in Revit, including the 3D room tags, of course. Let me explain one more thing. So in Navisworks, this view is actually cut with these cut planes on sectioning tools tab. But if you turn them off, you will notice that things that were not fully visible in Revit were not exported. So please be careful about that. So the point I'm trying to make here is have in mind that your Navisworks model is not just cut with section planes. There are elements missing. Basically, whatever is not visible in Revit, you can consider it will not be in Navisworks. Okay, some final information. For example, you can use these 3D room tags. I cannot click on them because they are in this design option. So I can either go to design option or I can turn or check off this checkbox here. So if the 3D room tag is in way, you can move it somewhere more convenient. So have that in mind. And let's uncut this view. So I'll turn off section box. I'll save the model. Then I'll go back to Navisworks and click refresh. There you go. You have your model in Navisworks with your 3D room tags displayed.